is.
This is sensory overload.
Well, good morning. We're getting a little late start today because we don't have that far to go. We spent the last 3 days up in northern Wisconsin and visited some cousins who showed us a great time up there.
First thing today, we got to stop for fuel because Boho is thirsty.
65. We just made our diesel stop. We need to do that every, 4 or 5 travel days. We have a 1,200 mile range per tank full, and Boho was really thirsty today. Took near 130 gallons. We hold 150 gallons. We use 2 apps to help us save money on diesel fuel. One is Mud Flap and the other is Open Roads. So today we ended up using Open Roads and our receipt says $475. We will let you know in the captions what our savings ended up to be.
And we are headed today to just south of St. Paul, Minneapolis, Minnesota.
We are packed in, leveled, all hooked up in a beautiful regional park in Apple Valley, Minnesota. We woke up to a rainy morning, but we were able to venture out in the early afternoon. In case you haven't noticed, Charlie likes to drive by major league sports stadiums. I'm standing on the Stone Arch Bridge where you can get a beautiful view of the Minneapolis skyline. In 1883, this bridge would have carried over 80 passenger trains a day. Now it's only open to bicycles and pedestrians.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
The Cathedral of St. Paul, with its copper-clad dome, opened in 1915, but wasn't fully completed until 1958. It's a majestic, magnificent structure both inside and out. Remembrance of Rick and his mom. The cathedral held 6 beautiful chapels, one dedicated to each of the 6 ethnic groups that settled in St. Paul. We went to a fun brewery with a rock music theme. The beer flights were called playlists, and the beer names were plays on rock songs. For example, they had a Behind Blue Eyes Blueberry Wheat and a Tupelo Honey Brown Ale. In case you thought we forgot to visit the Mall of America, fear
His
not.
mall amusement park. So that way when you're shopping, you just drop your kids off. That's seeing
I
3 hours.
don't think you just leave your kids
Yeah, you
anywhere.
leave them.
We're in Bloomington, Minnesota at the Mall of America. 4 levels. Oh, look at this guy climbing way up there.
Yeah, it's a rock wall, right? Those are rock walls?
Holy, I wouldn't let the kids up there. Oh, the whole thing is a rock wall.
Yeah.
We can climb Mount Rushmore. There's some
train.
wild rides here.
The
Oh
train
my
coming through.
gosh,
Are we in the
look
way?
at the train.
There's no track. How do you know where to stay out of?
I don't know. Well, it looks like it's made for fairly young children. Dora the Explorer Ferris wheel. This is an amusement park.
Serious roller coasters
Look at this
too.
roller
Inside,
coaster.
crazy. Oh, SpongeBob.
Woo, there it is. Whee! That's called the rock bottom plunge. I feel like I'm in an airport.
Yeah, right.
Benihana.
Benihana's. There we go. Oh, there's a regular store, Macy's.
Macy's. Yeah, that was one of the anchors, I guess.
Yeah. There's Cinnabon,
Oh,
Barbell.
we must have started here.
Wait, what? How did we get back to there? Going up.
We should get some steps in this place.
Well, we're not going to get any in taking the escalator.
Oh,
Now we're on what? Fourth floor? Yeah. So it looks like these are
we
restaurants
made it to the top.
and food court. I don't know if there's
I don't
anything
think
else.
it's a food court.
No?
I think,
Oh, there was Cinnabon and Carvel, and there was
Yeah.
a restaurant there. There's another
yeah, but it's probably like,
Johnny Rockets.
I love Johnny Rockets. Maybe we should get a shake. Too bad we had lunch.
Long John Silver's, Panda Express. Yeah, I would say this is the food court.
Uh,
This is Lauren's kind of place.
Is it a
Look at
shake?
the shakes.
Look,
Oh my
a
God.
Barbie. A Barbie blended. An Oreo Madness.
Nice.
I don't even know what it is.
Big transformer.
Oh, there's a theater up there. This is sensory overload.
Oh, there, that ride's starting now.
Oh, cool. That looks terrifying. And does it come slamming down? Yeah, pretty much. Whee! Alrighty. We can say we've done the Mall of America.
Yes, we did
We
it.
don't ever have to come back. It is absolutely overwhelming. Really fun for kids. Let's see what we got going on here. Whoa, this is going to be the big reveal here.
We've been branded.
So, he's peeling this off. We stuck it on yesterday in advance of the rain and gave it some time. Looking good. Woo, it's halfway there. So far, so good. One more word. Woo! There you have it. Look for us on the road.
Next up, we'll be starting a week in South Dakota, beginning with 3 days of boondocking.